Hey everyone, if you want to get the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes, it's important to keep PDFsam Basic up to date. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update PDFsam Basic step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official PDFsam website. Then go to the PDFsam Basic download page to check if a newer version is available. Next, compare the latest version listed on the website with the version currently installed on your computer. If a newer version is available, download the installer for your operating system. After the download is complete, close PDFsam Basic if it's running. Yeah, this helps prevent any interruptions during the update process. Now, run the installer you just downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest version. In most cases, the installer will update your existing installation without affecting your saved settings. Once the installation is finished, launch PDFsam Basic and confirm that the update was successful by checking the version number in the About or Help section. If you experience any issues after updating, restart your computer and open the application again. If the problem continues, reinstall the latest version from the official PDFsam website. And that's it. Now you know how to update PDFsam Basic and keep it running with the latest improvements and fixes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.